What's going on, YouTube? Alright, so today we're going to talk about doing a fix on your top. Unfortunately, I didn't think about this until I already had it done, but I'm going to walk you through the steps of it. What you're going to need is some Flex Seal tape, some Flex Seal spray rubber, and some Goof Off. You're going to use that to clean the spots on the top up so the tape sticks a little bit better, and then you seal everything over with a coating of the rubber flex. Alright, so here's the Snowbra. It's my all-white Cobra I picked up. It had 56,000 miles on it. It spun a bearing. If you haven't seen that video, I've got a video on how to change the bearings while the engine's in the car. It's a really informative video. A few people have told me it's helped them fix their cars in their driveway, so if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. The car only had 56,000 miles on when I bought it. It's got about 80,000 miles now. It is an actual real Sn95 Cobra. But the top was ratty as hell. As you can see, there's some wear and tear here. The seals aren't in the best of shape, as you can see. And there's still a pretty big hole right here, but I don't want to do the fix because it's too close to the body, and I don't want to get the spray all over the body. So basically what you do is you take your Goof Off, you clean the area up, and if, you know, it's not all the way through cracked, like that's not all the way through, but the Flex Seal doesn't seem to be holding on it, so I'll actually get to show you because I'm going to have to put a piece of tape on this. Alright, so cut you a piece of flex tape about the size you need. You don't want it too big, you don't want it too small. Take your rubber spray, go over to the car, we're going to apply this. If I can do this with one hand, maybe. There is a covering on the back of the tape. Peel that off. Go to the spot. Smooth it over. If you want to, you can use a squeegee or something. Make sure it's on there really good. Take your rubber flex. You gotta shake this stuff up for a couple minutes. And then coat it. That's it. Then after you do that, all you got to do is let it dry. So as you can see, my top has a lot of problems, a lot of areas where it's leaking through or it's starting to break. And this is just a quick fix that I thought about trying. I did a test spot. It seemed to work out pretty good, so I think it's going to be all right. So I decided to go ahead and do this on the top, and it's just a quick, cheap way to waterproof your top and get you through until you can afford to replace it. Like I said, I just spent $400 on the rear end on the car, so I really don't have any extra money right now. So in a couple weeks I plan to buy an actual top and we'll replace it. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and I'll catch you guys later.